Hey friends, Drew here on a beautiful summer evening in 𝗓𝘁'𝘀, Pennsylvania. I want to show you the after picture of the stucco leak and wall repair that our crew was doing. So you can see the brand new capping and everything is in. The brand new stucco is in on top of that, and it has been painted to match and it looks amazing. So we'll kind of take you over and let you see the after product here. So as you may recall before, we were talking about we were having problems with the step flashing here leaking, and we found a couple places where it was reverse lapped, it was going the wrong direction, and there's some other deficiencies with it as well, holes where it shouldn't have been, and somebody came back and put a second layer over and that wasn't right either, and it's just a comedy of stuff that was not too funny for the homeowner. So we've walked you through the whole repair process, and I just wanted you to get a chance to see the after. We got our metal down and then the stucco patch over top of, and it really blends pretty nice. Our guys did a fantastic job with this. So this is kind of the after picture down the front side of the roof, and of course down the back as well. And I'm just putting the gutters back up, putting the downspouts back up, and cleaning out the gutters and the gutter guards, and taking in the absolute gorgeous view that we have from the office here today. So if you've got a mystery leak, something that's driving you nuts, and you need help solving a problem, give our team a call, 484-748-0008. Choose option 2 for Cope Construction and Renovation, and extension 2 for new projects, and our office staff will be happy to assist you weekdays, 9:30 in the morning until 2 in the afternoon. Fastest way to message us is, of course, on our Facebook page. Click over to our timeline and our cover photo and click the Message Us, Contact Us button, and our staff will be happy to receive your photos and some description of what's going on with your project and your contact information, and we can start the process of giving you a virtual estimate right then and there. That's what this customer did. He sent us a couple photos, explained what the challenge was, and we were to kind of get some ballparks to him. And once we approved the ballparks, we went ahead with the on-site visit and right on down through the process. So give us a call or send us a message so that you know that when we get finished with your project, you're gonna be able to stand back, look at it, and proudly say, it's not just done, it was Cope built. This is Drew in 𝗓𝘁'𝘀, Pennsylvania. Thanks so much for joining us on this journey. We will catch you guys on another video. Bye for now.